So if you haven't taken advantage of YouTube, you are tripping. And when I say tripping, I mean tripping, honey. Like, it is time for you to get on YouTube. Whatever you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Katera. If you're coming back, hey cousin, hey sister, hey brother, how you been? How your mama now? And your family? How they been? But YouTube is not the same as it was last year or the years before. YouTube used to be super hard to grow on. YouTube used to be super hard to get monetized on, but now YouTube is wanting these smaller creators. YouTube is wanting us. YouTube is welcoming us. YouTube is ready for us. So it's time for us to get started and get onto the platform. So now I kind of feel like YouTube is kind of competing with Instagram and TikTok, but I really don't feel like they should be competing because you don't compete where you don't compare. And Instagram and TikTok really don't compare to YouTube. YouTube has been around for so long. So long. Like people have, been able to retire themselves at a young age from YouTube. Like YouTube has really been that girl. I just feel like a lot of people just didn't know how to conquer YouTube, and these other platforms were a little bit more subtle. They were a little bit more easy to grow on. So a lot of times, I feel like that's why a lot of us had just given up on YouTube. But now YouTube is super easy to get monetized on. They have knocked it down to at least 500 subscribers to 3,000 watch hours to get the first tier of monetization. And I really feel like that's super attainable. Last year, I grew my channel to 1,000 subscribers in 2 months. Now, of course, I took a break, and I shouldn't have took a break. I should have kept that momentum, but I'm back. I'm not giving up this time. But I feel like it's super easy to grow on, especially if you have a brand new channel. I feel like they really push out your content. So that is why I feel like now is the best time to start as opposed to any other time, because you really get a chance to just start fresh. Like I started this channel, it's brand new. I used to have another channel when I was younger trying to grow on YouTube. I found my niche and I started creating content, teaching people how to start digital product businesses and how to make digital products and how to set up your store. Like I was creating all that type of content. If you guys want to watch those videos, they are in my digital marketing playlist on my channel. But I really feel like as long as you're giving value, you will be able to grow and monetize your platforms as soon as possible. Now, YouTube Shorts are on the rise. That is why I said I feel like it's kind of competing with Instagram and TikTok, because of course we know those platforms, especially TikTok, is like the queen or king of short form content. But I feel like YouTube really has a super deep advantage because of course not only do we have short form videos, but we also have longer form videos, honestly, and our audience can really watch whatever form they want to watch. So I post both formats. I post short form content, I also post long form content. So I feel like if you haven't gotten started with short form content already, I feel like now is the time because it's on the rise. YouTube is pushing out shorts. They're incentivizing creators to post shorts, and I feel like it's just a great and quicker way to grow on the platform. I post shorts. I utilize something called repurpose.io to repurpose my content, but I feel like it really has grown my page just by posting shorts every single day. Even if I so happen to miss a longer form video, because I am trying to post a long form video every single day until I am 100% monetized. So y'all go subscribe to my channel and please watch this video all the way through, even if you gotta watch it on 2 times. But posting 1 to 2 shorts per day can really skyrocket your channel. So we want to go to the moon. Okay, so just putting a little bit more effort into your shorts. But you also can link your short form videos to your longer form videos. So if you post a short, there's a section on there that asks about related content or related video. Find that, click on it, and connect it to one of your longer form videos. Now, because I use repurpose.io to post my shorts, I'm having to go back through manually and link a longer form video to a short. But I honestly feel like it's worth it because if people watch your short form videos, they enjoy your short form content, and your longer form video is linked to that short, essentially they'll go watch your longer form video. So I feel like you guys should really try this. I would try to put like a screenshot or something right here so you guys can see, what I'm talking about, what that little section looks like. But link your long form videos to your shorts and leverage shorts. If you're not familiar with short form content and you just make longer form content, just make shorts from your long form content. So just make sure that you're in the center of your videos and things like that. Now, this is something new that I really wasn't aware of, but YouTube now has an AI recommendation feature, so that now AI is really boosting niched creators. So I know sometimes people they feel like having a niche keeps them in a box, but if you want to get recommended by YouTube's algorithm to other creators or other people on the platform, make sure that you find a niche. You don't have to stay in that niche forever, but stay in that niche long enough so that you build community and you build an audience that keeps wanting to come back for your videos. Also, I mentioned this in some of my other videos, my other previous videos, but search-based content also does super well. If your video is searchable, like your title is searchable, and it is something that is teaching someone how to do something, you have hit the nail right on top of the head. Or you have hit the head right on top of... What am I Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But you're in the bingo zone of seeing success on this platform because people are always coming to YouTube or Google. They work just alike to learn how to do something. So if you don't have search-based content, make sure that you are giving value and your titles are searchable, because this will result in steady views on those videos and increased traffic. And also, if you're looking for a way to utilize the AI feature to figure out what titles or keywords to use in your videos, go to your YouTube studio. And then I'm just gonna put a screen recording right here because I honestly I'm a visual learner and I feel like you guys are too, but you can slide over and you can see where if you type in a keyword, you can see what keywords are ranking for that niche or ranking whatever you typed in the search bar, and you can see what keywords are high. You'll see what keywords are low volume and high volume, and you want to use the low volume keywords so that way you can rank in the search engine, especially if you are a smaller creator. So I say all this to say you can either take advantage of these changes and get started ASAP, or just continue to watch other people do it. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm tired of watching other people do it. It's my turn, okay? It's your turn to be successful on a platform like YouTube, and you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it, y'all. Just post consistently, try out new features, and analyze your content, you guys. If you see that something's working, just make more and more of that type of content. And also analyze other people's content. Like, scroll through YouTube, see what's popping, see what's popular, see if there's any topics or main events that you can tie into your videos. So now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and put in the comments, you guys, your YouTube channel name so we can support one another, especially if you're a smaller creator. But if you're wanting to get started, I also have a YouTube cheat sheet guide in the description. It is free. You guys download that and get started on your channel, okay, guys? It is nothing to it but to do it. This guide will take you from step A to Z on how to get started and how to start growing on the platform. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.